Desperation over no water spilling over Monday.
I'm tired of this.
We are on the way to G-Jam, but encountering traffic backed up and going nowhere, except like this army jeep drawing reverse. Residents of Drapers and neighboring communities laying large rocks, poles and old appliances across the road at several points, from as early as 3 a.m. Idling motorists treated to graphic accounts by angry women of the toll of unwashed body parts. We made it a bit further along through a gap made by a few soldiers and police, but more blockages lay ahead. So who got the brunt of residents' fury? The National Water Commission, for starters.
And this we have to use them because we don't have no water in our tank. We don't have no water in our pipe. And we say water, we say we don't get no water, the road are black all one whole month.
As it happened, the roadblocks were removed later that afternoon. But residents' frustrations not going anywhere, whilst seemingly endless roadworks drag on, blanketing foliage, buildings and motor vehicles in dust, and making people's lives miserable.
There's a big issue, water.
Water on the road, and the dust. But the water is very more important. The water is very important because if we have the water and we also even dusty, we can clean up the house. At least the water should come through now and then and water the road. But when you don't have no water, how it going to work?
This resident with a guest house by Jamaica Palace, but long out of business.
Because the dust, number one, and the water, number two. The road, number three.
A litany of disaster since COVID. She covered her guest house's veranda with tarpaulin last year, only for more road to be dug up, bringing ever more dust.
Listen, we had better things to do today. All of us had our work, we had our business to attend to today. I came in from Kingston, 10 minutes to 2 last night, this morning rather. I have not slept since then. I drink a power, I'm going to come on the road. I'm going to start block the road from 3 o'clock this morning. Till now I am here sitting down, holding my position.
He wants a clear schedule of water delivery every week. Any sign of relief. Not this never-ending pall covering every aspect of daily life.
We pay our water bill. We are just getting here. We're getting here, we're getting dirty water, right? We need these things to change. We just want to live. We not ask so much. 8 days, 10 days, 14 days, 60 days, 30 days, persons cannot have water.
What is it like being without water for such a long time?
If I thought this family, you're not going to sound nice. Because you know, say, woman have to be dead.
Is it time for the Prime Minister to deal with your concerns?
The Prime who? We don't know if we are the Prime Minister. The people are on their own. That's why we are taking our own. Because we don't have nobody to stand up for it, so we are stand up and fight for our right. Water we say, and the water we want now. We don't have no Prime Minister, we don't have no MP, we don't have nobody at all but Almighty God alone.
Doesn't help that the Ferry Hill division of which Drapers is a part has no sitting councillor, having passed away 2 years ago.
Actually, to be honest with you, nobody talks to us. So we know nothing at all as it relates to the work. Nobody talks to us.
On the basis of that, do you think it's justified to block the road?
Honestly, I don't believe in roadblocks, but the people do the roadblocks to get solution.
And the people getting sympathy from waiting motorists.
I go down just past Sansan up by Mansion, you know.
So what happened? How long you been here?
Maybe we are going maybe an hour and a half now, but we come from Kochi. And we go down yesterday, you know what I mean? But I ask the people them why I go on still and them tell me say them a fight for water and them thing there, you know. They're not supposed to fight for them thing there. Them things supposed to come as standard. So me ride it with them, you know.
So you'll just sort of sit in the car
when we can do, because the people
wait.
want water, my people them live at Portland.
The people them got to do what they got to do because the road is supposed to fix, you know. So it's really rough, but we're stuck about 2 hours now.
So you don't think the police should move the blocks out of the road?
Yeah, they should.
Help right now, only a temporary reprieve. Many in Portland said to endure more of the same. When last you think people in this area have had a proper bath?
Sir, I am telling you the truth. Maybe I can't put this on camera.
No, we can't, but you get the gist.